I'm in my garage, which is unsightly and messy. Just got a call from FedEx Freight, and they're around the corner, coming over here with a special pellet. The brand new Blackstone 28-inch air fryer combo.
I can't do it.
There it is in all of its beauty. The 28-inch air fryer combo. Oh my goodness. Got it onto the back porch here. Let's open up the box here.
This is the handle.
Is that the handle?
Yeah. Here's some parts.
I am not going to do an assembly video because I think you can all figure that out on your own. I just want to show you this brand new griddle. So let me put this together. By the way, have any of you had the brand new Coca-Cola Cinnamon? Pepsi had a holiday spice limited edition Pepsi about 23 years ago. And this sort of reminds me of the Pepsi holiday spice, but it's more subtle. Very good. I like the cinnamon. It almost tastes like you're chewing cinnamon gum while you're drinking a Coke. Ah.
My hand.
This is what we like to do with our stickers. They make very nice shirts.
There's the wheels.
So here it is, the fully assembled 28-inch air fryer combo. First thing I noticed, both griddles are exactly the same height. So that is great news. You know, with the standard 28-inch griddle, the old school 28-inch griddle, 28 was much lower. So there's the 36-inch air fryer right beside the 28-inch air fryer. So the same beautiful hood, 28-inch griddle on top. So the big differences are down here. Okay. Here we have our basket. So if you go back over here to the 36, of course, we have 3 drawers. Air fryer, warming tray. So over here on the new one, we have air fryer basket and warming tray on the right. But the difference in this unit, whereas the 36-inch warming tray, warming basket, uses the residual heat from the griddle or from the air fryer to keep things warm, there's actually an element in here, a heating element, to help elevate, I guess, to bring the heating temperature up on this drawer, so that's good news. The other big change, our engineers decided to change the fuel for the air fryer on the 28-inch to electric. So think about the air fryer heating elements in the 28 more like your indoor air fryer countertop model. So propane does the flame for the 36-inch. And here we have electric for both the fan and the heating element for the 28-inch. Propane, of course, does the heat for your griddle top. Other than that, everything is the same. The same collapsible side shelf over here, and over here, another collapsible side shelf. The one on the left, of course, has the magnetic tool strip. And both shelves have the tool pegs on the end. If you're brand new to Blackstone air fryers, I should also point out that the trays on the bottom are very robust. The tool trays on the bottom are extremely sturdy, and these are the most stout units. These in the Pro series are the most stout units that Blackstone makes. I also want to point out, if you come down here to the tray, you'll see this is the correct position. I see a lot of people arguing online, and they have these flipped. Now, the reason why you saw some of these flipped in the past in Blackstone ads is because food stylists and people that do our TV commercials, they don't like the look of that label on there. Sometimes they flip it upside down. But now I see people arguing online, and they're putting their shelf the other way, of course, which makes it pretty much useless. So you always want to have your bottom shelves like this with the lip facing up. Once again, if you're new to the air fryer combo, there is the electric source over there. There's the cord for the air fryer circulation fan, and there's the dial up there, power switch for the air fryer. So 28-inch air fryer combo. You can see all of our air fryer videos, blackstoneproducts.com, and link to our social media. Go right here on my channel to see me using a bunch of my 36-inch, and I'll be premiering this weekend on Blackstone's Facebook. Facebook.com/Blackstone Products will be premiering this very 28-inch air fryer. Difference in opinion between 28 and 36, or I should say, why would you want one over the other? Hey, that's a personal preference. A lot of people just have room for a 28-inch on their porch. Maybe they have a smoker and they want to put a 28-inch griddle, and we've had a lot of people that have asked us that. They've said, hey, listen, the 36-inch air fryer combo is just too big for us. Could you make something smaller? And that is why the engineers decided to do this. So thanks for watching, everybody. I know it's been a long time since I've uploaded a video here to my channel. Just isn't much fun anymore because I'm, working for Blackstone and having a lot of fun putting all my energy over there, but I don't have time to come over here and do more videos. So I'll try to do more of these fun, impromptu videos, these behind the scenes videos, and if I do cooking videos, try to keep them real simple. Man, I'm high on Coca-Cola right now, so that's probably why I'm talking so fast. So until next time, everybody, praise the Lord and pass the food.